Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you along with me on my day. So I'm going to kind of show you my routine, what I do each day, like my daily cleaning schedule, my workout, what I kind of eat in a day, just kind of everything that happens throughout our day. So I hope you guys like this kind of video. Please let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see more of these kind of videos, if you like routine videos or you like more cleaning motivation, or kind of like this video, a mix of everything. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed and give me a thumbs up.
Say you wanna be somebody, sick of being told what to do. Say you gotta wait out. We could buy a big house for two. We could be on the news. Starlight, see through the haze. My hand is shades, we far from grace. Take me home, living for the thrill. Blood on the pills, for you I'd kill. We chase the highs to see the lights, red and blue. We can go anywhere that we wanna go. Even talk about us on the radio, how we break the rules. Starlight, see through the haze. My hand is shades, we far from grace. Take me home, living for the thrill. Blood on the pills, for you I'd kill. Slowly roll and see through the haze. My hand is shades, we fall from grace. Take me home, I'm living for the thrill. I know you blood on the pills, for you I'd kill. You pull the car around, told me to wait. Pray I don't meet you at the pearly gates. Now there's no way back, least we got all this cash. No way back, least we got all this cash. We count our money by the fire escape. You pull the 45 behind your waist and say, fuck that, I'll be taking that cash. Fuck that, I'll be taking that cash.
Dreams can last forever, 'cause I still dream of you. And waking up together is like heaven made for two. All the other guys got cash for days. I don't really care, 'cause all my days got your name on them. Sign your name on them. I don't see the point of the bling bling bling, saving all my love for a single ring with your name on it. And I ain't sorry, no, I just wanna love you. I just wanna love you. I don't wanna waste even another day, I don't wanna wait any longer. I just wanna love you. Time is just a number, but number one is you. And even when we're older, yeah, to me we're still brand new. Yeah, all the other guys got girls for days. I don't really care, 'cause all my days got your name on them. Sign your name on them. Pick it up, put your hand, girl, this is it. Sing Saving all my love for a single ring with your name on it. And I ain't sorry, no, I just wanna love you. I just wanna love you. I don't wanna waste even another day, I don't wanna wait any longer. I just wanna love you. I just wanna love every inch of your body, yeah. I just wanna love every time we say sorry, yeah. Big it dad for your hand, girl, this is it. Saving all my love for a single ring with your name on it. And I ain't sorry, no, I just wanna love you. I just wanna love you. Yeah. I don't wanna waste even another day, I don't wanna wait any longer. I just wanna love you. I just wanna love every inch of your body. I just wanna love you. I just wanna love every time we say sorry. I just wanna love you. Yeah, 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 yeah. Every inch of your body. Yeah, yeah. I just wanna love every time you say sorry. Yeah. Every inch of your body. Every time we say sorry.
All right, so as you saw, I stripped all of the beds and I have the bed sheets washing, and I already changed over the beds. That's like, I don't know, I'm probably super late to the game with that one, but just putting on my extra sheets and switching them over, like, I don't know. I'm very late to the game. So I have laundry in the washing machine that just finished that I did this morning, and I'm gonna switch that over, put in the sheets, and now I'm going to homeschool my daughter. She does go to school 3 days a week, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 9 to 1, but on Mondays, and usually at least Mondays, not always on Fridays, because we get everything done before then, but nice. But I do work with her on Mondays when my son is at school, so this is what we're doing today. Julie's got her glasses on. All right, so we have some worksheets.
She's doing schoolwork with us.
She's doing schoolwork too.
And she has her little stuffy in her head.
Nice.
And first she's gonna do this, her math book.
She's gonna do her math book, okay.
Open it.
Why don't you start on these 2 sheets while I switch over the laundry, okay?
Okay.
4 o'clock, I went and picked my son up from school after lunch, and then we went for a walk with the dog and just kind of like to get outside. Now that it gets dark and really, really cold in the afternoons here in Massachusetts, we try to do it right after school. So we walked around our neighborhood and played outside. They rode bikes out front and stuff like that. So now I'm just sitting here, gonna work on some editing. Dinner's super easy tonight. It's leftovers from last night. We have leftover mac and cheese. I have some leftover chicken from the chicken parm, some random veggies, and I'm gonna steam some broccoli for all of us, and some rolls that I have also left over. So super easy. So nothing exciting or any yummy recipes to show you here, but I will show you when it's all plated, and then we don't really have any other plans. The kids are playing now while I'm working on this, and then they're gonna shower, and then we're just gonna watch a show, and it will be bedtime. But I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Gourmet dinner, mac and cheese with a side of applesauce. Very, very, very gourmet meal tonight.
Even when the river stops, even when it all looks different.
Hello, today we're gonna play a game.
What game are we playing?
Scrabble Go. Woohoo! And there's a game on it. You can get an app on your phone.
Something's missing. I'm still coming home. I'm still coming home. To breathe the air that tastes so sweet and knows all my strength, knows all my weakness. Reminding me that I was a child, reminding me that I'm coming home. I am coming home. I wanna lay on these old streets.
I'm bumping my head. If I have arm, stop it.
Hey, we're gonna mess up the game. All right, that is it for today's video. We're gonna go snuggle and watch a show, and then these little nuggets are going to bed, and I am going to edit this video. Hold on, he wants to show you his book, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure I think it's on the chair in the kitchen. Make sure you are subscribed, and like I said, comment down below and let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see next. Austin has an awesome Lego book. Yeah, Brendan gave it to you.
It's really cool. It has all these different like Lego people in it.
Why are you talking like that? Talk like you.
It has all these different Lego people in it.
Oh, there it is.
And my favorite one so far is
Say goodnight.
I want to see the end. In the end of the book, no, not the front, silly.
Can you say goodnight?
Also, I want to look at the show.